maybe a spinner, maybe a curly tail, and yeah, I don't know what to expect. There's a ton of people out. That's just the way it's gone this year. Everybody's out, wants to be out in the nice weather, and can't blame them. So let's go see what we can do. Thanks for coming along.
Oh, there we go. Oh, nice fish. Nice bass. Nice bass. I'm trying to wrap me up. Hey, buddy. Yes, sir. That's what we're after today. Oop. Come here. Now you got a mouthful of salad. There we go. Come on. Go. Big one. Big fatty. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Yep, I got him. Just as I was pulling it out of the water. That was fun. Dangling bass. Little guy. There you go, small guy of the day. Thanks, buddy. He didn't like the dangle. Or he did like the dangle, I should say. Short. Yep, I saw him come for it. That was awesome. I saw the wake. I saw him eat it. Dang it, I lost him. That was great. I'm gonna go get that one again. Oh, whatever that was scared the shit out of me. Oh, there we go. Go. Oh. Do I have a fish? I do! Holy crap! It must have ate it as soon as it hit the water. Ooh, that's my best of the day. It must have ate as soon as it hit the water. All right. Oh yeah, you're a dandy. Don't jump. Oh, you're a dandy. Thanks. There. Come on. I know it. There we go. Look at that dude. Beaut. Beautiful fish. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day here. I mean, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Moon in the sky, sunset. Today was a great day. I got to fish with one of my best friends today. He beat me. Donny P beat me like 2 fish to 1, but that's alright. I got to fish with him, and most of my fish were on Topwater, and it was just an absolutely gorgeous day. And yeah, if you haven't hit the like button yet, please do so. Hit the subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along.